How to clear cache on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on general. Here you will see the option for iPhone storage. Tap on that and now go ahead and scroll through and navigate to the app from where you want to clear cache. Further, tap on the app from where you want to clear the cache and then tap on the offload app option there. Offload the app and reinstall the app again. Doing this will free up storage used by the app and will keep its document and data safe. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. So, this is how you can clear cache on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.